Are you looking for the best right-angle drills? As demand for mechanical keyboards continues to rise, both typists and gamers appreciate their tactile feedback, durable builds, and customizable layouts. Just as keyboard enthusiasts scrutinize switch type, build quality, layout, and value, buyers of right-angle drills should weigh power delivery, ergonomics, head size, chuck versatility, and overall value. This guide evaluates popular right-angle drills for cramped space work, from compact cordless to corded and attachment-style solutions, to help you pick the most suitable one for your projects.
Product number 1. dewalt DCD740B 20V Max Li Ion Right Angle Drill, tool only. The dewalt DCD740B is widely regarded as one of the best all-around right-angle drills, especially for tight spaces like inside cabinets, between studs, or behind appliances. With a head-to-back length of just 4 inches, this compact drill easily fits where standard drills cannot. It runs on the 20V Max battery system, sold separately, so if you're already invested in dewalt cordless tools, battery sharing becomes a big plus. The 3/8-inch keyless ratcheting chuck and deep hex pocket accept 2-inch bits, which is great for flexibility while keeping the drill head compact. Performance-wise, dual speed ranges 0 to 650 and 0 to 2000 RPM give you flexibility, low speed for controlled screw driving or precision drilling, high speed for faster drilling in wood or softer materials. It's light enough to reduce fatigue during long work sessions. Product number 2. The Milwaukee 2415-20 M12 is a subcompact 12-volt cordless right-angle drill designed for cramped spaces while still offering enough torque for everyday drilling and fastening tasks. Its head is only about 3.75 inches, making it very easy to use in tight spaces like inside cabinets, between joists, or around plumbing and wiring. This drill features a 3/8-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck for quick bit changes and solid bit grip. The built-in electronic clutch offers 11 torque settings, plus drill mode, giving you great control for screw driving or light drilling. Torque tops out around 100 N-pounds. It also includes a built-in LED light, a variable speed trigger, and an extended paddle-style switch for comfort during extended use.
Product number 3. Makita DA3010F 3/8-inch angle drill. The Makita DA3010F is a corded right-angle drill, a different flavor compared to cordless models, and well-suited for workshop or home renovation work, where continuous power is preferred. With a powerful 4.0 amp motor, it offers a no-load speed of up to 2400 RPM, giving it strong drilling capability in wood, metals, and other materials. Its compact build, about 10 5/8-inch length, with a reduced head height around 2 5/8-inch, and lightweight design, about 3.1 pounds, make it a practical choice for drilling between studs, floor joists, or tight framing. The built-in LED light improves visibility in dark work areas, and the paddle switch trigger with a speed-limiting dial helps avoid over-tightening when driving screws.
Product number 4. Milwaukee Electric 1/2-inch right-angle drill. This option represents a larger, traditionally corded or electric right-angle drill, offering a 1/2-inch chuck for more heavy-duty drilling than compact 3/8-inch models. For those needing to drill larger holes, for example through thicker lumber or metal, this model gives more versatility in bit size, making it suitable for renovation, framing, or contractor-level work. Its larger chuck accommodates bigger bits, which are necessary for structural applications. The increased size gives more torque capacity and drilling power compared to subcompact drills. That said, the larger head makes it less ideal for extremely tight spaces, and its bigger size and weight may lead to more user fatigue when used overhead or between studs. For general workshop, renovation, or contractor site work where bit size and drilling power matter more than absolute compactness, this Milwaukee 1/2-inch right-angle drill is a solid, heavy-duty choice.
Product number 5. DeWalt Impact Ready 1.5-inch right-angle attachment for impact driver, DWARA 120. If you already own a drill or impact driver, the DeWalt DWARA 120 right-angle attachment offers a cost-effective way to gain tight space access without buying a dedicated right-angle drill.
It mounts to any standard 1/4 inch hex shank drill or impact driver and reorients the bit at 90 degrees, all within a compact 1.5 inch front-to-back footprint. The attachment's metal gear housing is built for durability and designed to handle the impact driver's torque output. A magnetic bit holder retains fasteners securely, reducing the chance of dropping screws in awkward work areas. Pros: extremely compact and lightweight, ideal for tight corners, inside cabinets, or between joists. Cheap alternative to dedicated right-angle drills. Works with hex shank bits and most impact drivers. Cons: requires compatible hex shank bits. Standard round shank bits won't fit without adapter. May feel less stable or powerful than a dedicated right-angle drill, especially for larger bits or heavy-duty drilling.